Good morning, boys and girls. For your number talk today, we trialed yesterday doing half of the activities that we do for our counting on Seesaw, and we saw an overwhelming benefit from you doing it on there. A lot of more participation, and we got to hear you count, so we were really happy with that. So what we've decided is to make it a little bit easier for you, and to make it maybe a bit more fun as well. We want to do all of the 8 counting activities on Seesaw. So on Seesaw, you will find a number sense activity, just like yesterday, and you will be able to put in all your answers to these questions on your Seesaw template. So, for example, what I've done is I've made this is for yesterday's number. I've made an example of what it might look like. So I put my number at the top, and then I would click this microphone button over here and say the number. I would count, and then I would chant the numbers out loud. Also, year 4, side note, when you are counting, you should be counting for at least a minute. If your numbers do not get up to high enough for you to be counting for a minute, we might need to change the numbers. But I think you are all more than capable of doing that. If you don't get high enough to be counting for a minute, keep the pattern going. Try and do it off the top of your head at the same time. Okay, I am sure that you all can give it a great attempt. So once I've chanted, I would then state my pattern. So I said yesterday that the second digit in the number always goes up by 1. Or you could say a pattern is that the last digit always stays as 5. So I would record myself saying that. Also, I've done my place value table here. I've rounded it to the nearest 10, 100, and 1000. And then I've written the number in words down the bottom, and I've partitioned the number over here, broken it up into its place value chunks and added it together. So this is what it should look like. You've done your whole number talk right here on this page. It should look something like this. Obviously, some students might do it differently, but that is okay. So please just make sure that you get onto your Seesaw to find the activity and complete it that way. Thank you, Year 4.